So let's do 2017 1A calculus scholarship question. Determine all integers for x and y such that x to the power 4 minus y squared is equals to 71, and show algebraically that you have found all the solutions. All right, because the highest power of x is 4, we should expect to get at least 4 of the solutions, right? So let's start with the equation x4 minus y squared is equals to 71. When I look at it, it's similar to a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b, right? So this gives us x squared plus y and x squared minus y is equals to 71. All right, so when we look at this, we know that for 71, it's a prime number, right? So there are only two possible factors, 1 times 71 or minus 1 times minus 71, because those things gives us 71. All right, now we can have the first bracket as 1. So we can have the first bracket as 1, so then the other bracket will be 71. Another possibility is the first bracket could be 71 and the next one could be 1. This one could be minus 1 and then 7 minus 71, or minus 71 times minus 1. So there are 4 possibilities for this equation. All right, so let's write all these possibilities nicely. So let the first possibility be x squared plus y is equals to 1, right? So if that is possible, then x squared minus y will be equals to 71. Our second possibility is x squared plus y is equals to 71, and x squared minus y will be equals to 1. Our third possibility is x squared plus y is equals to minus 1, and x squared minus y is equals to minus 71. And the fourth possibility is x squared plus y is equals to minus 71, and x squared minus y is equals to minus 1. So now we have got 4 sets of equations. All right, so let's start with something. So now let's solve each sets of equation and see what we get. So if we solve the first one, right, so we have x squared plus y is equals to 1 and x squared minus y is equals to 71. If we add them together, adding these two equations will give us 2x squared y plus minus y is 0 is equals to 72. So x squared will be equals to 36 and x is equals to plus minus 6, right? If we solve the second one, and the second set of equation is also kind of similar, so x squared plus y is equals to 71, x squared minus y is equals to 1. Again, adding them gives us 2x squared cancel is equals to 72, and x squared is equals to 36, x is equals to plus minus 6. All right, let's do the third one now. They're slightly different. So it is x squared plus y is equals to minus 1, x squared minus y is equals to minus 71. And when we add them together, adding will give us 2x squared is equals to minus 72, x squared is equals to minus 36, and when we do x square x, which is equals to square root of minus 36, is no real solutions. And if we do the last bit now, the fourth equation, which is x squared plus y is equals to minus 71. X squared minus y is equals to minus 1. Again, adding gives us 2x squared is equals to minus 72. X squared is minus 36. X is equals to square root of minus 36. And again, no real solutions. So this gives us an indication that 1 and 71 or 71 and 1 are the possible pairs that can be used, right? So that gives us that x squared plus y equals to 1 and x squared minus y is equals to 71, and x squared plus y is equals to 71, x squared minus y 1 are possible pairs, right? And this pair, when solved, is giving us x as plus minus 6. So we have already solved that. We need to find the values of y in these cases, right? So if x squared plus y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 6, let's start with 6. We have 36 plus y is equals to 1. Y will be equals to minus 35, right? Let's do the second one. So it is x squared minus y is equals to 71. I'm doing this one. 36 minus y is equals to 71. Minus y is equals to 71 minus 36. So minus y is equals to 35. Y is equals to minus 35 as well, right? So this gives us that when x is 6, y is minus 35. When x is 6, it is minus 35, right? Let's try the next one. Here it will give us x squared plus y is equals to 71. So x squared, now x is equals to minus 6 is what we are using. So that's going to be 36 as well. Plus y is equals to 71. So y is equals to 71 minus 36 is 35. So the pair that we get will be minus 6 comma 35. And the last one that we will get is x squared minus y is equals to 1. And that will give us 36, because x is again minus 6. Minus 6 squared is 36. Minus y is equals to 1. Minus y is equals to minus 35. So y is equals to 35. So minus 6 and 35. That's giving us the same solutions. So here we can see that x can have both plus minus 6, whereas y can have both plus minus 35. Right? So the four possible answers, the four possible answers are, or solutions are 6, 35, 6 minus 35, minus 6, 35, and minus 6 minus 35. Right? So when we substitute these values back, we will be able to get one of the four equations, right? And that is the answer. Cool. Have a good day.